So in this session, Chahat, I'll show you how we can test the message via APIs or Postman. Okay. Here you can see this is our demo account. Okay. So we'll open a demo account and we'll go to message. In the previous, you have learned how you can do broadcast in from the system, right? You know this part, right? How you can do broadcast and all, right? You have tested also. Now second thing, either if the customer want to send the broadcast in the form of API, okay, they want to integrate with the system. So various HMS such as hotel management systems, learning management systems, SAP systems are there that customer can integrate. Okay. For that, the process is simple. We have got the message template approved by Meta. Okay. We'll take this an example. Okay. So now what we can do, after the template is approved, we have to click on 3 dots and click on generate curl. Okay. Then API request for that template pops up. Okay. This is the curl request. Now the customer or the company has to copy this curl and integrate in their system. Okay. So we'll copy this curl. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll click on import. Okay. We'll paste curl. Okay. It says paste the curl, right? So we'll paste the curl. Automatically the system, the Postman will take. Okay. Now we'll go to body. Okay. Now we'll click on beautify. Import, paste, we'll paste. Then click on body and click on beautify.
Okay.
Sorry. When we click on beautify, the template will appear like this. Okay. Now we have to give the details wherever the template is asking the detail. Now one detail is asked from here, your API domain, we have to put the domain. Okay. Then we have to insert the image link over here. Wherever the arrow mark is there, right? We have to give the data there. Okay. So basically I'm telling wherever the arrows are there now, here we have to input the data. Okay. Here we have to put our domain. Okay. Then if you go down here, insert your image link here. We have to give the insert link, image link, because the template is having an image. Okay. Then we have parameter 1. We have one variable which is the customer name. We have to give the customer name over here, and we have to give the receiver to which number you have to give. You have to give the message. You have to mention the number over here. Okay.
Wherever arrow is there in the front, you have to paste.
Yeah. Wherever the arrow is there, this arrow and this arrow, we have to give the information there. Okay. In order to make the template a success. Now we have apikeygeneration.telebu.com is our domain. Okay. So we will give our domain over here. Okay. Then here they is asking the insert image link. So for image link, again where we'll go to the portal. Okay. We'll go to builder. We can go to add node. We'll select the image. Okay. Whatever image if I want to send TelebuSocial image. Okay. So I'll select the image. Okay. And click on open. Now you can copy this image link is created. You can copy the image link from here and you can paste in the Postman. So we'll paste the image link. Okay. No, this is API testing. Okay. How we can test the API. That is, we do broadcasting, filling out the Excel sheet, giving the numbers, right? Now this is how we can do from API. Okay. So providing value for parameter 1, the one is customer name. So I'll give the customer name over here. Then we have receiver's phone number. Okay. So we'll give the phone number with the country code 9176659627. Okay. And click on send. Okay. When you click on send, it will send request, and now it is success. Okay. That means this number had received a message on WhatsApp. You can see I have received this message. Wait. This message I received on WhatsApp. See here, I choose this image. If I click on download, this image will come. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, this is how we can test the API. Okay.